Alright guys, this is a tutorial on how to access the links in our schedule for today for our at-home learning. So if you look, anything that is in light blue and underlined on our schedule, that means that it is a hyperlinked document or it takes you somewhere else. So for example, if I wanted to access the weekly check-in, I click where it's light blue and underlined, and then this link is going to pop up. I'm going to then click that link. It will open me up to my weekly check-in. Okay, so I would complete my weekly check-in, submit it, then I'd close out that tab, and then to get back to my document, I'd go to my original tab that had my schedule on it. Then let's say I wanted to go to Music Monday, Tune Tuesday, for example. I'd click that. Click the words to take me to the document. Oh, it's going to bring me my personal email account. Pull up that email, and then it's going to give me my assignment. What I was able to do was I was able to hyperlink a lot of assignments that that I've included in Google Classroom right in this document. So instead of having to search all over Google Classroom and all over Canvas and everything else, I put everything right in links for you. So you shouldn't have to work too much off of this document. Everything you're going to need for the day is going to be right here for you. So if you have any questions, don't be afraid to Google Hangout chat me and I will answer them for you. Thanks, guys.